Top of the morning, everybody. Top of the morning. CPI day. So far, we just looking at the market being bullish, going straight up. She don't want to give no retrace. She ain't want to come into the 5 minute gap. She just doing her own thing. We running right now. YM already took out buy side. Still looking for ES to take out buy side and waiting on YM to get in line with the other two indices. Already took one scalp up to take the buy side liquidity at 65. We got a daily gap above. Show you the daily gap. Daily gap right here. We're almost there. My next target is 170, the bottom of the daily gap. $21, 170. Bottom of the daily gap, that's my target. Almost there. 50 points away. This 5 minute gap, this is where I wanted to take an entry, but she didn't come down to it. So I had to go to the 1 minute. Go to the 1 minute. I saw we closed above these down candles. We closed above this. Came back into this 1 minute gap. So I had to enter here. Got my entry covered in this up move. Already sold half my position. Just holding to see if we can get to the target. Seconds left on the 15-minute candle. 10 o'clock. See if we can go in and skip 50 points. I want to run off 50 points real quick. ES took out the high. Need YM to close above these candles. So everything can be in line. YM needs to shift and confirm bullish. $10 o'clock, new 2-hour candle. New 2-hour candle. I'm up 20 points. I got my entry covered. Waiting to see what happens. Really wish YM would have closed above. That would have been nice for the continuation. Wait 5 minutes, see if they do it on this counter. I'm already in and I'm already buzzed, so I'm looking for upside target. I just need all of my indices to be in line for that little extra confidence in my trade. But so far we good. We still pushing. Still pushing. I don't want the YM. I don't want the 1 minute to come back below this order block. That's what I don't want. 93. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing, baby. 21,170. 21,170. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Boom. There we go. There we go. It's my last entry. I've been scalping this thing up. When we close above right here. When we close above these down close counters, I started scalping it up. So just scalp to this level. Got out. Wanted it to come to the 5 minute gap. They did. Close above here. Close above here. I got in over this stop. I think that stopped me out. I got in here, took off one, stopped out here, got back in here, took off one contract left, entry covered. Don't want it to come below this down close candle. Target, daily gap. That's the target. Give me my target. That's $127. If we go through the gap to the top of the gap, or at least let's see the center of the gap, that'll be 233. 233. Institutional level 220. It's a nice spot to get up. Push, baby, push. Push, baby, push. Daily gap. Daily gap. Oh, we there. I had my levels wrong. We there. We in there. Ooh, and I only got one contract. Man, get on in there. Dig up in there. Dig in it. Dig in it. That's what I want to see. Man, I'm mad I only got one account in here. Other account still at zero. I haven't did anything. Push, baby. Push, baby. Let me see if I can raise my stop. Let's raise my stop right here. Lock in 62. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Middle line. Bang. Center of the gap. $200. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. I might get out. I ain't gonna lie. I really need 130. My goal for the day. Hit my $200 for the day. I just need to lock in $130. There we go. 200 for the day. Goal hit. Target hit. Daily gap. Target hit. That's it. I can say I'm done for the day right here. Definitely on that account. Done for the day. Done for the day on that one. Maybe. All right. Holla at the bros. Holla at the bros. Who took that trade, man? Who took it to the daily gap with me, man? Who took it to the Daily Gap? Brody ain't get back in? Okay. She gave a down closed candle. Man, my bad. I had to go on mute real quick. I had to talk to my viewers, man. My bad. Y'all had a little conversation. I had to talk to the viewers, man. I caught that thing live, baby. Caught that thing live, baby, man. Yeah, I had to talk to the viewers, man. Shit. Tell them where we going. Tell them what we doing. Yes, sir. Shit, I don't be paying attention. I might be talking to myself, bro. Shit, don't matter. Shit, I ain't stressing that. If they ain't watching now, they'll watch later. Shit. I got a few. I got a few. I got in about 3 times. I've been scalping this thing probably 3 times. That last one I held for the Daily Gap. Locked in my 200 for top step. I gotta catch it in bullet nuts. Yeah, bro. I can bring the bros on now. Let me bring the bros on. I done caught my trade. Yeah, I done caught my trade. No interference. I ain't one trying to hear no outside interference. You know the daily gap, the center of the daily gap is 233, and then the top of it is 297. Mhm. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Look at my video doing the Lord's work, boy. Video doing the Lord's work, boy. 128. Tell 'em. Nvidia at 100. Buy Nvidia at 100. Anybody close to me, boy, you heard me say that a couple times. I told everybody who will listen, boy, get Nvidia at 100. That's one of the most important companies in the world. Nvidia, the most important company in the world, man. Yeah, I wanted to take it. I wanted to keep holding for the center of the daily gap, 233, but I had to lock in at 200. One step, one step closer. Every $200 day, I get one step closer to taking all my money. Yeah, we been said that when the market get bullish, man, we running. We ain't doing no retracing. If you ain't get in when you was supposed to get in, you chasing. You gotta chase. But PPI might come back. CPI finna go in one way till lunch. Exactly. Push. We ain't on bullet knots, baby. 1 minute gap. Silver bullet. Bullet knots, baby. We in the all accounts. Let me make sure all accounts. Yeah, all accounts. We in the. Marla, what you say? 315? 350? That boy looking up though, boy. Oh, I see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Weekly. Weekly. Negative. 1 hour. Weekly gap. Still pushing. Still pushing. Bro, you know that's the same strategy I was talking about in January. Like when you was back testing last night, I'm like, man, it's the orb strategy. Like I already done played with this and left that alone. I mean, it worked when it worked. Like it's like everything else, man. When it work, it's beautiful, but it ain't gonna work every day. Not that same way. Like you better put some ICT with it. Yeah, that's opening range. Wait till 10 o'clock. They take out one side. They took out the opening range top. Buy it. But it don't work like that always. Sometimes they'll take that out and that'll be a liquidity sweep, and they turn around. I played with it for about 2 months and got back to my ICT. When it work, it's beautiful. Yeah, we hit the gap and we hit CE of the gap, center of it. That was my other stretch target, but I locked in my 200 just in case. Shit. Just in case. And the day what, Tuesday? Lost yesterday. Oh shit, I'm tripping. Getting like that. That thing running. 5 minute gap below. Yeah, I don't want it. I hope they don't. Just go. YM finally took the high. Okay. We on everybody on deck. YM closed above. Took the high. Left a gap. Push on up out of there, man. My dog say 350, man. 350, man. On that weekly gap. The daily gap ain't enough. We need high time frame. YM in the lead today. It's a good day when YM lead. That's supposed to be. YM lead. YM went, damn, YM. NQ lead. It's a good day when NQ lead. YM went deep in the gap. ES tapped it. Hopefully NQ don't have to. Keep going. Yo.
Just remember what you said about the dude named Otis. I'm like, why that name sound familiar?
You said what?
They say Otis. Yeah, remember you had somebody named Otis, right? I remember he was in that group a minute ago.
Uh-huh.
Like early on.
Yeah.
He was on there though.
He was in in the beginning of FW, and then he found his strategy that worked for him, and everybody was on that. Everybody, whatever we was doing at that time, it worked for him. And then when Buddy had switched and started doing something else, they had a little falling out. Like, why would you switch and it's working? And he left. Yeah, he left out the group.
I think I got him on Twitter.
Yeah, he on the.
He lives down in Florida, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is the same.
Yeah.
They used to call him O a lot, right?
Uh-huh.
We agree that the Bears get.
Yeah, keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. We don't need to go in that 5-minute gap. Okay, yeah. And Q lead, and we don't need that gap.
350.
Yeah, baby. Call it again, buddy.
350, man.
Man, they were playing. It didn't give a shit.
It didn't ship.
Yeah, it didn't ship. So
I actually didn't try to share it.
Yeah, but you see, I said when we was back testing, some days it didn't go good right away. Like sometimes it kept going, and it didn't happen to towards the end of the day. Like it came back to that. So it might do that today.
Yeah.
Like it would start shorting towards the end of the day, and then while market closed, then it would continue. So it might take that overnight.
The project leave.
And if you do overnight, that would be like a 15-minute gap. That would be somewhere. This about to go to before.
PPI on Thursday. We got no news tomorrow. PPI Thursday. Consumer sentiment Friday. Today will be a large range day. Tomorrow, no news. So tomorrow probably gonna be choppy. Tomorrow morning, I might as well just going to work.
Hey, Sean, you was looking for me?
I'm looking for you, man. You don't call nothing out.
Yeah.
But yeah, I sent you a text.
No, but as far as what I was talking about the other day, it did the same thing. Like if you look at the 5-minute, it goes above the 5-minute. If you're doing the ORV, which is the open range breakout.
Yeah, you would have bought down here at this at 1:30. If you're playing an orb, as soon as it closed, you would have bought down there.
Most of them niggas ride it for 40, 50 points and they're done. It'll be some I'll be watching.
ICT said
That's enough.
no CPI rush, knock off any sell side, just a leap into February FEG from last night's review.
Yeah, we already hit that target. 170. His target from last night.
Man, look how close we came to that 5-minute gap too. Cause that's the gap I was looking for too. Came so close, but she ain't even fucking touch it.
What's your name?
Huh? 9:45 candle came so close to coming into the 5-minute gap. That's where I wanted to take it from. Which lines up with the top of the 9:30 5-minute candle, which would be the top of the ORB. You want to come test the ORB and then run away. And she ain't come back to the first 1-minute gap, which was down at 210. Or sorry, at first 1-minute gap was down at what do you call it? 04. We way the fuck up there now. Over 200 points from where she opened. All right. She trying to drop like a big dog.
5-minute gap.
Yeah, now she gonna confuse the fuck out of me because she went into a 1 minute gap, 5 minute gap, and probably a 15 minute gap and a 15 minute gap. He's like, now what the fuck she gonna do? She gonna go up now?
What's confusing? Like, how is that confusing, bro? She went into a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute gap. What did she do after that?
Went into it's only because those gaps are at premium. That's what I mean. Those gaps now are at premium, so they're kind of giving me kind of like how much further. I know we were looking for 350, but we got the 250.
You're not good with trend days.
No.
We know. Throw that premium discount out the window. It's a trend day.
Right, exactly.
Came back to a 15-minute gap.
Real.
Yeah, 15,
exactly.
1 and a 5.
And I bought it. And I bought it. For real. Which one you like? The 1, the 15, or the 5? I bought all of them for you in the same spot.
Yeah, I got back into, but my entry kind of high. Fucking trade, man.
Where your entry at?
I'm at 204.
On a trend day, your entry,
Yeah.
your entry always gonna be high until it go higher.
Yeah, it's supposed to be at 195.
Man, at 209, boy.
I got in. That 5-minute gap, I knew it was coming back. I should have just trailed lower down, but I didn't want it to go straight through that shit.
Exactly.
I didn't take no profits, so I was like, fuck it, let me take some. And then get back in position. Since we done closed above on this 1 minute, I can put my stop. I can put me at break even. Let's see.
Keep going now, baby. Just keep going now. 1 minute BPR. I need that to hold. Order block, I need you to hold. BPR order block, I need you to hold.
Pick my ass up.
$10.30. Got another hour.
Watch 10:30s, 10:30 sometime. The price reverse.
Yeah, 10:30 reversal time sometimes.
11:30. 11:30. Not 10:30.
Nah, it's 10:30. And if you took what's his name? PW used to push that in our head a lot for him.
Yeah, that's when you can get that 15-minute retrace sometimes. Today,
yeah, sometimes it's just a retrace. But I feel like you got it into this 5-minute gap. This probably was the only thing we really did. Yeah, PW used to teach that shit. 10:30 reverse. So it used to happen a lot last year. A year before.
We're not bullish again until we above 226.
It used to happen a lot. Now the thing that happens a lot is one way till 11:30. 12 o'clock. That's what happens a lot now.
A lot of trading. Get big.
Get above 220, man. Get above this damn candle. So.
Get my 1,500, man, so I can pass this bitch tomorrow. I don't even need 1,500. I need today I can just take 1,000 and get the rest tomorrow. But I'd rather get the 1,500 today. That way I only need to make 1,000 tomorrow. And I'm a micro this thing out.
Take tomorrow off and pass it on Thursday. Ain't no news tomorrow. And we already got a large range day. Don't try to pass it tomorrow morning.
15-minute strategy might work good. Like that. I see now on news days, these 15-minute strategies, all the strategies different on news days. This shit, it did come back for a silver bullet though. The silver bullet was down here at 152.
Closed above the candle, came back to retest.
Man, that boy still holding. Y'all some real holders, man. I gotta give it to you.
I'm trying to see 350. Hey, man, only way you're gonna see 350 is if you hold it. Shit. Is it gonna work or it ain't, G? Shit.
It should at least retake these highs at 246.
Oh, yeah. It's either gonna work or it ain't, bro.
It's either working or it's not, bro.
We shouldn't even have to tell
the only way
Sean
you
that.
gonna know it's working is if you in the trade working.
Yeah,
Shit.
Working.
Straight up. All right, put one micro on. Shit. $30. All you doing is seeing if this shit finna play out.
Sean know how it goes. Sean be holding.
Yeah, I know Sean that be dust on. I need to get like him, folks.
That's that.
Sean gonna hold till it come back.
It's gonna blow or it's gonna go.
Effects, man. You only can hold one contract. That's that bullshit though.
There we go.
It is though.
You up 1,000, that shit come back 1,000. You might as well consider that a loss.
Yeah, that shit tough. That's how I lose a lot of my combines though. Like, cause I'm taking trades. I'm already over leveraged in my combines, trying to just pass them bitches. You feel me? And then the pullbacks be, doing me dirty. So I'll be like,
Yeah, you got a $200 stop. When you went up 1,000, you came back, hit your stop, like it lost 1,200. Like, fuck, damn.
Nate, what up, bro? Say since price broke above pie side, are you waiting for the retrace? I'm still looking up, bro. Yeah, I took a trade already. I've been scalping up.
To get is still like the 150s.
I've been scalping the move up since 9:30.
150s, like the best accounts to have.
I scalped it up to the daily gap. Let me show you. Hold on.
More room.
Yeah, more wiggle room. Yeah. That's what you need in trade, though. That's why it's important to have, like, if you're trading live, like, they recommend you have $20,000.
This daily gap right here, bro. This was my target. So we got CPI here. I got in down here somewhere, and I took it to CPI with my first target. Then I got in again, and I think I got out. I got in again. I got off, let off one contract, let the other one get stopped out. I got in again, took it to the gap, closed that account. Then I switched to my Bullet Knots accounts off the 1 minute. And I got in around 210. I got in to 5. I got in off of one of these candles, and then I got in again when we came into the 5-minute gap. So I'm looking to see if we can get to the top of the daily gap. And then my ultimate target off of the weekly time frame, we have a weekly gap right here. That's my high time frame target right now. We already hit all my initial targets. So now I'm going for the stretch target. Let's see if we can get this weekly gap today. Also got to keep in mind, we already swept the body of this candle. So we can reject here. This is an important level, just like this right here is an important level. So what's that? 229. It's a very important level. And I'm trying to get to 349. Holding 4 micros right now. 349. 4 micros, trying to get to 349. Looking at today as a trend day. So all I needed to do, I just need us to keep. Every time we retrace, I want us to come back and close above down close candles, which we did here. Got a little push. Now I need us to close above this. Keep pushing. Also keep in mind that 229 level could turn us around. So the trade might work, might not. Might win, might lose. We're just gonna see right now. Just see what we get, bro. Really being aggressive getting in up here with my bullet knots account because my best trades was when I was trading down here, but I was trading my top step account. I didn't press the button on my bullet knot. So once I got out, got my money in top step, now I'm looking for a trade in bullet knots and being aggressive. I'm trying to get in up here and take it up. If I wanted to be a little patient, I could have just waited on the retrace. Probably let it come down to this order block here. If they want to retrace, I'd be looking at this order block here and see what they do for entry. Or just got to see what happens, man. IM is not doing what I want her to do. So she's making the trade a little difficult. A lot more difficult.
You heard that's what I.
Push up out of there. Push up out of there. See what we do. And Q trying to hold. These two trying to retrace.
10:30 reversal, huh? Probably coming back on the 15 minute. Pull a fib on the 15-minute chart now. Probably.
Yeah, 50% would be 100, but that would be a 50-minute gap.
Yeah. Or we just wait till this 15-minute candle finish, because like I said, this is a 15-minute gap.
Yeah, we could like I was saying, retesting this 5-minute gap though.
Right. But like I was saying, I was looking at it. You know, I was trying to bat like we need to close above 226 to be bullish again. You know what I'm saying? Like on the 1 minute. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? It's just doing that wick shit. So
we couldn't break that 1 minute gap.
Exactly. It closed above it, but it didn't close above the bodies. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the bodies. It's like the body.
Yeah.
Because if you would have got in this gap, your stop was supposed to be up here.
Hold on, I was looking at the screen. Hold on.
You get it in this 1 minute gap. Stop was supposed to be up here at 246. So if you have been shorting from this gap, you'd have
been good.
You'd have been good. Yeah. See, this is my normal trade. Like this is like Broderick was saying, we in a premium. So you'll be looking for a short naturally. Just with the news though on the trend day, but we hit that daily gap like y'all said. So We'll see. That's why I say this still a 5 minute gap. It could be just a 5 minute gap. You got this other 1 minute gap right here.
That was a nasty retrace, but I'm still holding. What? That was nasty right there. Shit had me thinking about my future. Jeez. Hey, dang, I don't want to put this L in my trades L. I ain't trying to put this L in the journal, man. Get back up there. All right, man, I need to get above 221, 222. What it's gonna be? Get up there. Close above 211. Get up there. There we go. Get up there. Don't sweep it. Close above it. Don't sweep it. Close above it. Here we go. Here we go. We back in line. Check my other people. Yes, close above. 30 seconds. YM, get in line.
Yeah, that's why I kept covering my shirt.
YM, get in line, baby. Get in line. YM, 20 seconds, baby. 20 seconds. 20 seconds to get your mind right. Close above this. 20 seconds to get your mind right. Let's do it. Okay. Boy, I had to hold through that thing twice. Boy, they came back on me. Come on, man. We back above. We at 230. Boy, we done did it. We did
My
it.
stop loss below the candle in the 5 minute, bro.
We did it.
I've been holding with you. My stop below the 5 minute candle. Candle that made the gap.
Oh shit! You hear me?
Like the 1 minute.
You hear me? You hear me in here walking this shit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shit. Talking through the trade, right?
I said 350 to target.
350 to target, man. Sure, I ain't. Anything down is a retrace on mine.
Especially like the 5 minute ain't gave you that. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for, the short of retrace. See if we get back to one of the other 15-minute gaps, but this 15-minute gap looks like it's going to hold.
I thought you
8 minutes to this next minute candle.
I thought you were
that's what I was saying. Wait for the next candle.
I thought you were watching Patrick, right?
Yeah.
So I thought you were watching Patrick. I went and switched over to see Patrick. What Patrick talking about? Patrick going down. I said, shit. He going down. I'm going up.
Yeah, I was on somebody else's YouTube. They was live yesterday. I kept telling their ass, "Hey, don't short it yet." But they saying, "Hey, man, don't nobody trade your strategy." I'm like, "All right, y'all." You got their ass cooked.
Hey, bro. You can lead him to water, bro. You can lead a horse to water, bro. Can't make him drink it. Shit. Can't make him drink it.
Oh, he on here again today. I should get the comment on this shit.
They gotta learn, bro. They gotta take their trade. So we can learn the hard lesson. We had to learn the hard lesson. But
yeah. Still learning the lesson.
Yeah.
Still learning right now. I swear. Yeah, go that 5 minute. It bounce off that 5 minute. Yeah, 2 minutes. I just got that line on down already. And I see it bouncing on the 1 minute.
There we go. Push. We just need YM to get in line, man. Need YM to get in line.
I took the inversion on that 1 minute.
Good shot. Good trade. I might take one off at 46. I got 4 on.
Oh, what the hell I just did? Oh, shit.
Damn it, you don't fumble. Fumble the buttons. Take one off at 46. Yeah, let me go on and do what I said. Do what I said I was gonna do.
Okay, I'm back. Damn, I hit that calendar shit.
Let's go. Another 100 points, baby. Another 100 points. Let's go.
So I put 2 contracts on that thing.
All right, I sold 2. Keep pushing. If I sell one more contract, that'll take care of my loss for yesterday. Then I can cover my entry and let it run. That's what I'm thinking. 2 micros left. Another 100 points for the target, for the weekly target. 10:55, and you know how I hate 11 o'clock, boy. What we got below? 15-minute gaps. 1-minute gaps.
We got this 5 minute order block, man. We should get to where we going. Close the blood down candle that went into the gap. We should be good.
Should be. Order block at 222. I want to hold both of them, at least till the top of the gap. 297, 296. Sell another contract at 296. Say he done flipped. He bullish, huh? The trend line traders. Trend line and EMA traders. Keep on pushing. What I got? Two. Push for me, baby. Before I let this other one go.
Yeah, S&T at the highest 4 right now, but we should keep going higher. The ES didn't take this high yet. The NQ, the YM,
Yeah, we just
totally different shit, bro.
I know, man. Waiting on the YM to get back bullish, man.
Right,
to get back in line.
Like, that motherfucker totally. When I say totally, that motherfucker doing some totally different shit.
She got to get above, at least get above 346 on the one. At least do that. So you can get in line with everybody else. I mean, they got the accumulation. We just got to go.
But we got to let this 15-minute candle finish. That would be really what it would be. We got 1 minute left. Because the ES did not come and take that high.
2 minutes to 11 o'clock. I let one go, man. One runner left.
I'm in the combine. I still got 5
I'm in everything. I'm in 2 PAs and a combine.
My PA I did 400 and closed it. 478 and closed it.
That's what's up. Shit, I'm at 3 right now. I'm at about 275. I'm at about 275 in this one. In these 2 PA bullet knot. Copy and trade. New hour in 2 minutes. Maybe YM might get in line for the new hour kind of. Maybe. Here we go. Push on out of there. Push on up out of there.
Sale 3. The other 2 to go. See what we do. Take that little high, little tag. We got the S&T up here. That shit brutal right now, man. I don't know if tomorrow. Yeah, that's well.
I'm glad I added when we came in that 5 minute gap, man. I'm proud of myself for that. I was already in with 2. I added 2 more in the gap.
Yeah, I sold it down to that back to that 5 minute gap. So like $200. And I sold it down again and I covered another 100. But then when it broke through,
You on your scalp? You on your scalper shit today? Huh?
I kind of just made it to trade free, so I wouldn't know. Just in case I was wrong, because that 5 minute gap could have just been retested. Like I said, could have just been retested that 5 minute gap.
That was good thinking.
Stay in front of that free train, bro.
Nah, I'm gonna ride the train. I ain't finna stand in front of it. Man. If they need to stop for maintenance, then I get off. Man. Y'all need to stop for maintenance. Let me off. In profit. 11 o'clock, 11:02. New hour candle. Push to the top of the daily gap before you do something reckless. Push. Push. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. My dog said he got a 4. Bro, how many contracts you got in with? When you say you put 400 in the pier?
3.
3. Yeah, I did 2 contracts for $200. I know my thing with that top step, but as soon as I get above that $200, boy, I be covering, and that's what messed me up. I could have just put my thing a few ticks above my entry, and I'd have been straight. I'd have still been in. But trying to make sure I get them, trying to lock in at 200, that would be slowing me down. Focus on the money. Focus on the money instead of the target. Got a real small 5 minute gap at 9:04. Oh, that's ES. I'm tripping. That's ES. We got a big gap. 5 minute gap at 236 on NQ. Put a line for lunch, 12 o'clock. That's that 11 o'clock mess right there. 5 minute gap. What you gonna do? It's that 11 o'clock retrace. She gonna sweep a low on the 1 minute. That's how they always take me out. 11 o'clock, a retrace. Make it look like a shift on the one. And then continue.
Yeah, I just want to see a hold, bro. Because the ES back at this 15-minute gap, this 15-minute candle, they closed above.
Mm-hmm.
And, so I'm just trying to see if it's gonna hold.
Have a lot more confidence in why I'm gonna get in line. Okay, push back up.
5-minute gap, stop losses below the 5-minute candle that made the gap.
Stop below 206, 205.
Yeah, my stop at 205. Mm-hmm. The confirmation gonna come on the one once it closes back above like 250 though. So this is me just not really wanting to do this shit, but I'm gonna hold it.
5-minute gap, hold us up. I am, get in line. She trying.
YM look like it's finna take 930 lows or something, man. What's these? Yeah. I don't like that. Look. But no, that shit, this could be a breaker though. Look some those S&T close above.
Push. Push. I closed out of one of my PAs, the one I done had for about 2 months. I just took that. Other PA and combine. Still in. And off the 5-minute gap. Stop at 205 with you.
Yeah, it's just one micro. I got one micro on, bro. This bitch don't work. It don't work. That's,
Yeah,
you know,
I got two
trying to get
on.
to the. You say you got two on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I really got one. But like I said, the YM look like it one.
Yeah, the YM. That's why I closed out of the combine that I haven't had for 2 months. Like I got 250 in that. Just going to close that one out. And I'll let this combine see if we're gonna keep going. The combine and the new PA, so I'm still copying two accounts. But that one account, protecting that's like my firstborn child. I gotta protect that one though. That one gonna take me there.
You said what happened?
I say that first combine, the one that I closed out on, I've been, I be protecting that one. I ain't trying to do too wild.
Right.
So I closed that one out. Just because I don't like 11 o'clock. And I don't like the way YM looking. But I still believe in your 350, bro. I still believe in the 350. We can definitely get 100 points before lunch. We can definitely get 100 points right now before lunch.
There we go.
There we go. Keep pushing.
2 minutes. I need to close above this damn candle. I promise we go. Alright. Like I said, them damn candles that go into the gaps, that's what I gotta really, really focus on. Because them high probability order blocks. So 2 minutes, we can close above on the 5. I feel like it should keep going there.
I need to. ES got a weekly gap at 6,003. And YM still got a daily weekly volume imbalance. 43. 5-minute gap push us to the high, as we should. YM still playing, killing us. Well, let's see. YM bearish, so YM going for the sell side. YM need to take out these lows and then get on board. Come on down, take out these equal lows. Shift and then go up. Ralph, what's going on, bro? How gold treat you today?
For the past 2 weeks, gold been doing wonders.
Yeah. Glad to hear it.
I'm just trading micros. Sometimes 150 a day, 200 a day. And I call it, I'm done.
150, 200 a day?
Yeah, 150, 200 a day. I
All
just
right.
want to get at least 2 or 3 PAs. Give me 500 a week or 1,000 a week on each. Then I'll worry about other stuff. I just want to make a full-time income. Co-PAs. Just be consistent with it.
Yep.
Everything else is just extra. After that, I want to get like a couple of take profits, and I'll make those be my
Ones that you try to go aggressive.
It's the living expenses.
Yeah. Right.
So, get 200, 150 a day, 500 a week, or 700 a week.
That's the goal, man.
One of my PAs was down before I started trading the fractal, and before I stop stuttering. Before I was using the fractal indicator, I was trading I was down on my PAs, on my bull knocks for like 2,000, something like that, 1,500. But I brought it all back up. That's plus 500. And my Apex PAs are up. It's slowly bringing it back up. It took me like a week and a half to bring it back.
Damn.
I wanted to go big boys and this one trade to bring it all back. But I said, if I do this, it's gonna be a bad habit.
Yeah, bro. That's a good milestone for your trading journey, dog. To know that you can, you down $2,000, it take you a week and a half, and you get it all back, bro. You ain't gotta rush it. We know we ain't gotta rush to get it back, and we just going to take our little bite size. We'll get it all back. It might take a few days. Like when I take an L, depending on the size of the L, I'll be like, damn, all right, that just set me back by 2-3 days. Like I don't look at it like, oh, I'm finna get all that back tomorrow. If I take an L, I lose like $300-400 in a day. That let me know, all right, I just set myself back by 2-3 days.
But with NQ, you
gotta start looking at it like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I promise I do.
I don't look at it like, all right, I'm down, because you look at it, the money will mess with your head. I just look at it on how many days will it take me? Yeah, I look at it like how many days will it take me to get that back at $150, $200 a day.
Right, I got you.
Now, what helps me is that I just activate a new PA. Because it starts from scratch. Mm-hmm. So I'm not really worried about the old one. I'm just building the old one, but the new one's the one I care more about.
Yeah, so you focus on the new one, but you copying the old one, so they're gonna come up. That's a good strategy, though, man. That's a good one.
All right. Yeah, that is.
That's a good one. I like that. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Keep pushing.
350, man.
Keep pushing.
But see, like, and then, like I said, it be days like this where I take good trade, and then, like you said, I'm gonna just use it for example. Like tomorrow, there's no news, but still in all, news or not. Now tomorrow, or like I just be feeling like, man, I should put a little bit more on. I know what the fuck going on. Then I'll lose. Rather than just stick with what I've been doing, just stick with your 2 to 3, maybe 4. Let it run, get your money and stop instead of because again, I be getting overconfident at times, bro. That's why I said like I be doing dumb shit too. It may seem like, oh man, bro, I be doing silly shit sometimes over here. So we're not saying shit to y'all. So yeah, we all do. That's why I say I like that. Like, okay, how many days did I just set myself back? Whereas like, because I know I want to trade every day. Like I want to come and press the button on the computer. I can't lie to nobody. Like, so with that being said, knowing that, like I like how you said that I got two to 3 days to just go on trade and just make that money back. Relax. It's not the end of the world. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I got this written down. Like, you can't make one day like it's your career. You know what I'm saying? One day shouldn't fuck up everything, bro.
One red day ain't the end of the world, man. One red day just means you just set yourself back, 1 or 2 days from hitting your target.
Right.
mean, from getting your payout, like how many days you just set yourself back a couple of days from getting the payout?
Mm-hmm. And then see this the part ICT was saying like he don't teach. We can move our stop up now, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because if it closed below these green candles and and those down candles, that's a breaker. We should potentially get lower. You know what I'm saying? On the 5-minute chart.
All right.
So like you said, this lunchtime, we could do whatever the fuck you want. We still S&T up the highs, man.
Shit, you know, YM ain't dead. YM still ain't dead now.
I'm on the 15-minute chart right now. Let's see what we're back. It's a very small 15-minute gap. Very, very small. The ES ain't closed above the down candles, bro. On the 15-minute, it's pushing though. I need to close above 908. That's on the 15-minute. ES.
And Q came back to the order block. 1 minute order block, 256.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute order block.
We closed above on the 5 though.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it closed above on the 5. It's just this 15-minute candle ain't done yet.
8 minutes, new 15-minute candle.
Yeah, well, I think I'm walking off. I ain't even staring at the computer. You know, I'm at work, so I'm just walking back and forth. My computer in the room. I'm just like I said, stop loss below that candle and let it go. Back looking.
It's crazy. That daily gap on micros, we already filled the daily gap. We just tapped the top of it. On NQ, we still got a little more to go. Gotta get to 297 on micros. The top of the gap is at 270. It's a large discrepancy. That's down 30 points. Still waiting on the YM to get in line. Barcode. Could have been in NQ today, man. Off these 5-minute gaps. Could have traded NQ today.
What time you get on? You'll be gone. I'm like, and I have to go to Boyd's.
Different times. Here we go. Keep pushing, baby.
I'll be at 8:30, 9, going on. I'm like, all right.
We all probably do that because I came in early. I came in about 8:15 when nobody in. I left.
Yeah, we all do that, bro. So you gotta keep coming back. Or as soon as you get on, you gotta at least say it in the Discord. Now alone, you know everybody gonna start jumping on after they see that.
Okay.
Yeah, because like I said, I jump on, and if ain't nobody in there, I just close. Like I said, I'm at work, so it's like y'all ain't nobody ready yet. But I know for sure I'm getting on about 8:15. I don't know who on here. 8:15, 8:20. Oh, market gonna open. I'm getting on.
What do you start looking at the charts, 8 o'clock?
Yes.
Push.
You know what I'm saying? I started looking. Honestly, no, I started looking about 7:30, 7 o'clock type shit. I'm in Chicago, so yeah, about 8. Because I need to see what's to the left of 8:30.
All right. YM in line. YM in line. We looking good.
Radicals in the other group, in the other zone, trading big boys again.
Hey man, let them live.
I'm joking. I don't know if he is. I'm just joking.
You said he over there doing what?
Trading big boys.
Dang, I should have went heavy today, man.
See, hey, look, see, you said
I should have went heavy today, dog. Come on, man. I said this yesterday. That's why I didn't want to trade yesterday. And the CPI, I knew the 5 minute. The 5 minute gonna be clean on CPI and PPI. Those are my best, but definitely PPI. PPI one of my best nose days. 5 minute gonna be clean. That shit was clean today. 5 minute gaps. You ain't take no more than 10 points of heat. Could have loaded up today, bro. Dang. Catch him another day.
Yeah.
Catch him another day out.
Me and number time, G.
It's the YM though. If all of them would have been in line, yeah. YM finally got above where I wanted to on the one.
It's going to them targets. I got to go to what? 462 maybe? Because hey Jen, like I do have folks trade on YouTube, right? Mm-hmm. You can go to the 2 hour and you're gonna pull your fib from 20,000 like 56, like that little low right here. On the 2 hour, that low, and then you're gonna pull it all the way up to previous day high. Mm-hmm. Like this, it level up here. It didn't come back to 50, but you got these target zones up here. So I don't know if you're using your fib, it got your standard deviations and all that shit.
Right.
So on the 2 hour, I got to go into. It should probably try and get to 472. 462. I mean, 460. Yep, and then 575. That way.
Yeah, they're gonna get in line. They need to come take out some of these highs. 469. Get back above 469. 42, 469. On YM.
ES, my level is at 60-20, but I know I can go on the 4 hour and probably find some swing highs that go before that. Yeah, we got this 4 hour gap. That's a swing high right there.
YM was accumulating in the first 1 minute gap. Mm-hmm. All that accumulation in the first 1 minute gap. Almost an hour.
Hey, look on the YM. I look at the YM on the 4 hour. So below the green candle, and then it just simply wicked the last 4 hour candle. That's why I was like, I'm like, dude, this one ain't No, bro. I got a level ES 5938. See if it's gonna get done. Then 350. Come on, give me 350 and I'm done, bro. We have to work on what I was able to do. 690. And then we got a 4-hour gap right above 690 at 85, 895 on a 4-hour chart.
$11:30, the official start of the lunch hour. Give us 30 more minutes of some good pushing. Some good pushing for 30 more minutes. $11 did what she always do. Come back to a 5-minute gap. Best part about the day, the 5-minute gap wasn't that far. It wasn't that far away. Just a quick little retrace, 5-minute gap. Keep pushing.
And that's why that's why when you know folk or just trading with the 5-minute chart, you can't be bear. You know what I'm saying? You couldn't have been booked bearish yet. 5-minute, we closed above the down closed candle, retesting it.
Yo, somebody go in the other Zoom and tell them boys to target. Tell them we going to 350.
What they trying to short it?
I don't know what they trying to do. I'm just looking at the title of his live, CPI destruction. I'm like, shit, what destruction?
See, I ain't even looking.
Say CPI destruction. I ain't going on there, man. I'm trying to stay away from that negative energy. I'm talking
It
about.
only be two. You only hear two voices. Shit, ain't nobody on there, man.
I'm like, damn, what destruction, bro? This shit beautiful.
They nervous, eh?
This shit beautiful.
And then
what y'all worry about?
Destruction because they on the low. They don't want to. Like I said, a lot of them still don't want to have 50, 40 point stops. 20 point. They worried about the wrong shit.
Right.
So that's really what it is, man. A lot of, and I still struggle with that shit. Like really putting my stop where it's supposed to go sometimes. You know what I'm saying? When I'm trading these combines because I'm over leveraging and shit. But like, bro, you know it's shit supposed to go, bro. So like I said, some people just don't want to do it.
It's like we all We all trade ICT Concepts, but everybody be picking and choosing. They be picking and choosing what rules you want to listen to, what rules you want to follow.
Exactly.
Like putting your stop below the low. Like don't nobody want to do that rule. They want to my stop 10 points.
But and what's crazy, even ICTs do it and say it. People like you can put your stop here, which is gonna be below the candle that made the gap, or you gonna put your stop below the swing low. Mm-hmm. And he say that it's one or the other, and that's why I'm trying to work on this 5-minute trade shit. Like I told you, 5-minute gap. I'm just gonna put my stop below the 5-minute candle, bro. If it comes and stop this out, it is what it is. But you know what I'm saying? Like I'm just working on logical stops based off the 5-minute chart, bro. You know what I'm saying? And that way we can deal with whatever the 1 minute giving us.
That's the only way
in regards to pullbacks and all that type of shit.
Yeah, because if you put your stop where you're supposed to put your stop and you get stopped out, then you're wrong.
Right.
But if you just got a 10-point stop or a 15-point stop and you get stopped out, it don't mean you wrong. Your stop was in the wrong spot.
But it's gonna feel like you wrong. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Then because like you said, it's hard to switch your mindset and be like, I was going short now. You know what I'm saying? Or have.
Oh yeah, it's hard.
You know, because once you get stopped out, sometimes you may be like, oh damn, it's gonna go lower. Mm-hmm. No, you stop your dumb ass out because you was in the wrong spot.
Right.
You know. So, hey, that's the part right there.
We
steady closing above these down closed candles on the 5. So
yeah, we tap NQ top of the gap 297. Mm-hmm. Top of the daily gap. Oh man, we hitting all my targets. All my damn targets, man.
I know, ain't it hard watching it do that shit when you ain't got all that shit? You ain't got the leverage on that bitch. You could have went bonkers today.
I'm just talking about. I'm thinking about. All right, I closed out of one PA, switched to the other one. I put some money in that PA, kept trading with the other one, and now we still. He ain't taking no L's. Like I should have been 5 accounts deep in this thing, man. But all my accounts still rolling. But I'm so close to that 200. Shit, any little pullback, 1 L, boy, and I go up under that 200. That's gonna hurt. Mentally, that's gonna be like, damn, you had it locked in, now you got graded. I need to go at what? I think tossed up, you need like 20 or 30 $200 days to get all your money.
I think 30 days.
30 of them. That's a lot of $200.
It's time, shit. Like you said, that's the part right there. A lot of 30s. I mean, yeah, a lot of 200.
Yeah, that's $6,000. You gotta make $200, $200 days. That's $6,000. Then you can take all your money up.
They got the macro things up.
Got it. Gotta understand trend days. Trend days, you gotta throw that premium discount away. Like if you're looking at the whole thing, you ain't finna get no discount entry way down there. You get a 5-minute gap, 15-minute gap, you gotta take it. Take it, put your stop where it's supposed to be, and see what happens. Or stop trading. But you damn sure can't be thinking, oh, we up high. We done did all this running. We gotta turn around. It's the wrong way to think.
Definitely it. That's the shit I used to do. Mm-hmm.
Damn, I know my girl eating, man. I know she ain't sell everything. The person who I showed y'all that swung XPX over the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
I know she probably got multiple contracts. She probably sold some of them yesterday, but I know she held. And them bitches looking better. Damn. PPI, bro. I'm putting it on, man. I'm gonna have to try it. I got to go. PPI gonna be minimum 5 micros, bro. Minimum 4. I say 4. Minimum 4. 4 to 5.
Like I said, I have 4. I wish I'd.
Right.
But like I said, I don't want to be rushing my combines because now I already see I be having bad habits. I'm trying to break them bad habits. You ain't, like I said, this ain't no rush. I'm looking to trade every day. You know what I'm saying? A couple points a day is what it is.
Yeah, I was rushing mine. Then it just renewed for another 30 days, so it ain't no rush. I got to put 1,500 in it. I got about 25 days. Ain't no rush.
Right, and that's what I got to tell myself. It ain't no rush. No rush.
2 PAs active. I got 1 that I still got to pay for, and then I got this other combine I'm trying to pass. I'm trying to have 4 PAs over here.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to be on some Ralph shit.
What Ralph got? He got a lot of PAs?
Yeah, I think Ralph probably got 4 or 5 PAs that he be copying.
You the ball up too?
Mm-hmm. So yeah, bro, a $200 day, nigga, that's really like 8 to 1,000 if you got 4 or 5 PAs. Shit, you can really be comfortable with 200 a day.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
When you
I'm
copy.
trading 6 of them. I got 21 PAs. It's in the background.
21 that you be copying every day?
I only 21 is 21 in total, but I don't trade the others. This 6
All active?
active 6. No. I didn't activate my bone ounces or my apexes. I have to activate my apex before the end of the month, but they're gonna charge me.
How much? How many do you be copy trading like daily, like today or yesterday?
So 6. So I trade 5. Oh no, so 7. 5 apexes and 2 bone knuckles.
Okay.
3 micros.
Yeah, shit. 7 accounts, 200 a day. It's a great day, man. That's a weekly salary a day. It's a daily salary in one account, but if you add them all up, well, that's weekly salary every day. I mean, that's weekly.
If I look at it like adding them all up, it's a great day.
Mm-hmm. Great day. Like it seems small. Yeah, I just made $200, but 200 times 7.
Mm-hmm.
That's
but
nice.
you gotta think, and that comes from, like you said, even if you got a real account, you want to start with 20,000. Look what this man started with: 5 accounts. Nigga, that's what 25. That's 5. 4 accounts is $10,000.
Yeah, that's like me right now.
You know what I'm saying? And that's when you go back to trade micro, make you 200 a day. It just doesn't feel good because it's only 1 account. Nigga, 10 accounts, $200 in a day.
And you stay consistent.
You get what I'm saying?
When you get that payout, you looking good.
Exactly. And that's the real part of this shit, bro.
To me, the real part is the psychological part. I feel so at ease even when I lose. At ease.
Yeah.
But I use that stressed me out.
Yeah, and that's what I'm telling you, folks. Like this shit shouldn't, like, bro, you can't feel bad about a loss, folks. And if you feel bad that you lost, because you was risking too much.
There you go.
ICT say, man, this thing pretty, man. Like I say, man, this shit look beautiful, man. But y'all talking about destruction. This shit look beautiful to me. Yeah, y'all talking about this is what a trend day supposed to look like. No retraces, man. Just 5 minute gap, 5 minute, 15-minute gap, and keep pushing.
Back to the five. Talking about trading the big boys 2 contracts. I'm like, man, we've been there, done that.
Come on, man. We've been doing that since 2022, and I ain't got nowhere.
And I know
I ain't got nowhere.
The setup is fine. I get one voice at the setup. We talk about the setup. But once you lose in your setup, or you lose in the big boys, your setup is down. It's because by your setup, your psychology's off. And then when the psychology's off, you might pretend you see a setup and then take a trade and lose again, and now you effing up.
Especially if you feel like
part of it is just so stressful.
I gonna say, especially if you feel like you did everything right. If you like, bro, I took my setup, I did everything right, and I still lost, that mess your head up. And then that how you looking for new strategies. But that ain't
exactly.
That
ain't
ain't
got the money that you lost. I lost 400 in this trade. Damn. Oh man, it's my setup. But when I trade, I lose 100 in my trade. I'm like, it's fine. I went to my setup. I feel fine.
Like yesterday I lost. I think I took a trade. I lost 180, and I just stopped trading. I was like, I shouldn't have took it anyways. Ain't no news today. News ain't really like no news days. My last 3 red days. This is what I told Real. My last 3 red days were all on no news days. Like looking at my trades, my last 3 red days were all on no news days. So I'm done with them, bro. I'm done with them. I'm gonna just take read until I get a little better at trading without news. But look at YM done did. I ain't even paying attention. YM done caught up almost.
Did she?
Nah, not all the way, but she did a little something. She got to go above the down closed candles finally on the 5. Finally.
We had some 10 at the highs.
We've been doing that for hours.
Shit. Yeah, these 8:30 high. That was these 8:30. Yeah, down to 10:15. Now it's the 10:15 highs.
It's almost lunch now.
Yeah, because the ES took the highs. The ENQ, it took the highs. But I'm gonna keep holding.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold, bro, because I feel like.
Let me see my 15-minute. We got 15-minute gap down here. I really don't want to see that. So like.
No, we don't.
10-point retrace.
Sure don't. That's gonna stop me out 272. No, it won't. My stop at 260 right now.
We got a 15-minute gap on the ES as well. Let me see what the YM gap was. YM.
Playing.
Shit.
Playing.
YM ain't got shit. YM finna go lower, bro. I think I'm gonna close this. Almost lunchtime.
Hey man, today was a good day, bro.
It was, man.
Today was a good day.
You want to just move my stop up high or close it? The YM folk ain't take previous day high. Nothing. I don't know, bro. YM in this trading in this bearish gap. YM did not close above the candles that made the gap, bro.
YM, boy, she just she ain't with it. She ain't with it today. 5-minute gap at 273. I need that to hold price up. I mean 5-minute order block 273.
And that's the gap. 15-minute gap.
Right. Yep. It should hold in a 15-minute gap with a 5-minute order block. That should hold. Gap on one time frame, order block on the other. So stop below that 5-minute candle though, just in case it don't. 260.
Yeah, I think this was some turn around.
Hey, bro, we went beyond my targets. I had daily targets. You got the weekly target.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like we're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit that 350 for this week over with. We too close. We're tapping for this week over with.
Yeah, we probably go there right now. Shit.
Yeah, we only 50 points away, no? 50 points away with 4 hours ago. But are we gonna get it while we in this trade?
No shit. Will you stop below that 5-minute camp? I mean,
Yeah.
at what, 53?
Nah, 260. Below the body. I got it below the body.
Yeah. When I was at 53, I'm gonna go up to 56. That leg or something, man. We should go higher though, man. Like, we should. All we can do is wait and see. Fuck it. We'll stop. I'm in profits. But anything from here is a blessing.
For real. I mean, I'm trading. I'm in overtime right now. Shit.
Right. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, man, bro.
I done already closed 2 PAs
2
after hitting my targets, man. I'm just going for extra targets right now. Like, nigga, the targets I woke up looking at, we done hit them all. Daily, bottom of the daily gap, middle of the daily gap, top of the daily gap. Shit. We fulfilled what I wanted to see for the day. Now I go to the higher time frame and I see one more target. 349. Keep looking up. Just that last one might take another session.
Mm-hmm.
We done did a lot for the AM session.
Man, did a bunch.
Damn.
Did a lot, man. Damn, that bitch did a lot.
Would have been nice to have some calls in this shit. QQQ calls. Would have looked nice today. Nvidia at 130, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Keep pushing. I was trying to hurry up and get me a payout this week. Like, in the back of my mind, I'm trying to go and get this top step payout so I can buy some more shares. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to get
some more shares in Nvidia.
Nah, I'm good on video, man. I'm loaded up, and I want Apple. I wish I could have got another Apple when it was under $200.
Mm-hmm.
And I should have bought Tesla when it was at 300. I mean, under 300. Palantir back at 128. Well, they bounced back like, come on, man.
Loving that shit.
What?
Came back 75. I was like, I'm gonna sell these bitches.
Palantir are back at new all-time high.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Palantir, man, I'm gonna sell these
bitches. Oh, you still in? You held through all that?
Yeah.
Them shares? I thought you had sold.
Nah, I ain't selling all them bitches. I had sold them when they got to when they went to like 140 something. I had sold some. I still got 4 of them. Nah, I ain't sell all of them. Shit, this is all long-term plays. I just
Palantir down there did 100% from the low. Mm-hmm. Low was at 66. We at 128.
Get us back above 290, man. That's the opening of the 15-minute candle. It's the last 5 minutes of this candle, though. So let's see what this last 5 minutes of this 15-minute candle, man. Mm-hmm. Give me what I need.
I'm hoping.
What the fuck YM doing?
It's gonna give a retrace or it's gonna get a target. One or the other. YM came back to the order block on the 5. Mm-hmm. I think it's bullish now. I mean, I can look at it being bullish now. I can say that. All that accumulation in the first presented, 1 minute gap. Finally got a shift on the 5. They gave a real retrace down to the lower order block. And now we need it to close above.
What you looking at? The ES?
YM. Just talking to YM. Need to close above 396.
Yeah.
Expansion, retrace, expansion, push. 15-minute gap, 5-minute order block did what we wanted.
Yeah, it's holding right now. Cause again, like
could have entered again.
Yeah.
I thought about it.
And then put the stop right where it's at.
Yeah, I thought about it. I thought about getting in my taking it on my top step. Trying to catch up with Ralph. Ralph got 7 PAs. Gave me a goal. You gave me a goal to hit, right?
I ain't got that many.
You gave me a goal to hit.
I ain't got that many, man. We need to catch up.
My goal, I really want 5, because like I said, if I get 5 PAs, copy trading, $200 each account, that's 1,000. Well, I'm cool with that. Man, that's a band. I'm cool with that. Well, and I know I can do that at least 2-3 times a week. I'm cool with that. With micros, nigga, 2 micros, I can do that 2-3 times a week. Not even rushing.
Right, not even rushing. Close above this. You say every candle got an open, high, low, close. Back at the open of this 15-minute candle. So this what folks are here be motherfucking buying it right now. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Right at the open of the candles. Bullshit, though. Close above. We got 2 minutes left.
Mm-hmm. 2 minutes left. Need to close above 289. Keep this freight train rolling. Google bounce back nice. Google bounce back real nice. My Amazon shares positive. I just need TSM to get back right. I think I was buying TSM at 200. It's at 193. I need them to get back above 200. In my Roth account, everything will be positive. Just waiting on TSM. All right, back to futures.
The 5-minute candle got to close up there. This 15-minute candle bearish right now. It's trading inside of a 15-minute gap now. So.
Ding ding, it's lunch.
What lunch gonna do for us?
One direction till lunch, man. Once again.
We already had lunch. Is lunch gonna pull back on us?
Lunch gonna snatch. Which way she gonna snatch? She gonna snatch for a retrace or she gonna run the 350?
I told you why I am with them lows, bro. Like it's just, I don't know, bro. Like that shit's just giving me.
Yeah. I can see it. She can't get the lows till the other ones turn around. They had to hit their objective. If they don't hit their objective, we just wait until lunch, I guess. Today was a good day. Just should have put a little bit more on it. Should have put a little more heat on it.
Yeah, this just bearish now.
And I'm looking at the center of that 266 CE of that order block, like the middle of that body.
Yeah.
You gotta stay above that low right there. I don't want to come no lower.
But look at the 5 minutes. That, you know what I'm saying? The structure on the 5. You get what I'm saying? Like,
I'm out, bro. I went and closed it.
Stop me out.
Yeah, I closed it.
I ain't closed it yet. I'm gonna let it start. Yeah, there you go. It stopped me.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was saying. Like, it looked like it's you know what I'm saying? The 1 minute is bearish right now.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
High five, man.
Yeah. Good day, bro. I ain't gonna count. This was a super good day, bro.
Yeah.
We still trading a 15-minute gap, though. That's really what it is. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, it was a good day, bro.
We're looking in the right direction all morning. That's a good day.
Yeah. So both of us in.
Definitely.
No, you know how the day is. I'm looking somewhere else.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, we both looking for. So, yeah, that's it, bro. Yeah. Come back. We're above midnight.
That's it for the days. Today was a good day. We hit all our targets. We hit our daily targets. We hit everything except the weekly target. Daily low, center of the gap, top of the gap. All targets met. Today was a good day. Appreciate you stopping by the chat, stopping by the zone. Nate, appreciate you pulling up again, bro. Anything you need to talk about, if you're still watching, anything you want to talk about, holler at me in the Discord. We can break it all down. And on that note,